I should be used to this by now. Well, I'm afraid not. Hit it. Hey everyone, Awesome Guy 85 here, and today I will be reacting to how to build a gaming PC, created by How to Basic. So now without further ado, on with the video! How to build a gaming PC. I like the music. It makes it more satisfying. So very satisfying indeed. Republic of Gamers. Nice. What the? Egg damage! It's taking a lot of damage already. Eggs? Who is this guy? He's creeping me out. You're chaining up your PC to your car? Oh no, is more like it. PC abuse. He's having a ball at this. So much abuse and damage. What's with the pickaxe? Dirt! And it's taking a beating! Oh my goodness. Where's he going? Get back here! Oh no! The PC has been destroyed. I'm done. I can't play 2 seconds into the computer. Come with breadcrumbs. I'm so done. Please gaming, I can't. Please gaming PC into a container. Or in concrete. Evenly spread concrete around. I'm so done. Place down the screen, keyboard, and mouse. And that is how you do it. That's how you build a gaming PC. Good job! You get to play games like Minecraft and stuff. Good job. Nicely done. I should just quit right now, but I'm not going to. I'm enjoying this. Whatever you do, please don't destroy your PC. It's expensive! Sorry, excitement. Anyway, thank you How to Basic. I can't wait to see more. Thanks for watching. I'm Awesome Guy 85. Stay tuned for more reactions. With that in mind, I'll see you next time. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, to waitresses, and peace!